Hello, Salesforce Trailblazers! In this unit, we're diving into the exciting realm of building an approval process. By the end, you'll be setting up approval processes like a pro. Let's get started. Our goals for today are clear. We're going to set up an approval process that not only emails the initial approvers, but also enables users to seamlessly approve or reject opportunity records. Buckle up for a hands-on journey. From Setup, click on the Setup icon and a new page will appear. From the Home option, locate the Quick Find box and type Email Template. Click on Classic Email Templates and then select New Template. Choose the third option, Custom without Classic letterhead. Proceed to the next step. In the following window, select the folder options. Enter a unique name for the email template, for example, Sending Opportunity. Ensure the template name is distinct. Check the Available for Use option. Provide a subject, for instance, Information Opportunity Name. Move to the next step. In the Email Body section, find the Merge field and select Opportunity Contact Role fields. Choose Opportunity Name and copy the Merge field. Paste it into the HTML body where the content is needed. Write the HTML body as desired. Proceed to the next step. Complete the text version by generating it from the HTML preview. The email template and HTML template will open, allowing you to make any necessary modifications. Customize the content to meet your requirements. From Setup, click on the Setup button. After loading the Setup page, click on the Object Manager. In the Quick Find button, search for User. Click User. In the User left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships, then click on the New button. Select field data type as text, then click Next. Give a field label. The field name will be auto-populated. Then give a length of 25. Click Next. You don't have to do anything here. If you want, you can make this field visible to all profiles. Click on Next and click Save. From Setup, click on the Setup icon, and a new page will appear. Locate the Quick Find box from the home screen and type the approval process. Click on Approval Process. From there, navigate to Manage Approval Processes. Now, select the object you desire. For my purpose, I am choosing Opportunity. Once selected, there is an option to create a new opportunity process approval process. Use the Jump Wizard, provide a unique name, and ensure it is distinct. Optionally, specify the entry criteria. For now, I am not setting any criteria. You can also set up reminders for approvers. Remember that if the activated version is not finalized, this approval process will not be active. Now, proceed to edit the approval process. Check the Use Approver field of Opportunity Owner. Click on the View Approval Process detail page. From here, we can see the Multiple Approval Process section. For the Final Approval Action section, click on Add New. Give it a name, select a field to update, then click Save. From the new field value, click on Use a Formula to set the new value, and write your formula into the formula box. Once you are done, click on Save. An approval process is now set. We can do it for multiple stages. Go to the Quick Find box and search for Flow. Click on Flows. Click New Flow. From the given options, select Record Triggered Flow. Click Create. Select the object. Here I'm choosing the opportunity object. To add an approval process in the flow, click on Add Element Plus in the flow. Select Action. Search for Submit for Approval and select it as shown in the figure below. Alternatively, you can directly search for it after clicking on Add Element. Enter the label. Its API name will automatically be populated. Set input values for the record ID and click on Done. Let's save the flow and activate it to run the flow. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.